Hi there, lovelies. You got your coffee? Got my coffee. Colombian, gorgeous. Right, first thing I want to show you, I just came on for a very quickie. This is a quickie. I want to show you the gorgeousness that I got in that lovely that takes me right to the 70s. Boho type gorgeousness. And this looks lovely in it, I think, anyway. And I also wanted to tell you about Spring has Sprung in Cornwall. Definitely. Look at that gorgeousness too. And you know, people think that daffs don't smell. They do smell. I've got 3 bunches in the kitchen, and when I walk in here, I can smell them. It's a fresh smell. And we are fortunate in Cornwall. We're about 3 weeks ahead of the rest of the country for growth in plants, because we're on the Gulf Airstream, which is a warm airstream that runs through Cornwall. So, oh, that's gorgeous. Right. The other thing I wanted to show you was this. Whoops. Unusual plant. These spears are completely round. I got this from Lidl's. And if I see another one, I will definitely buy it because they're quite unusual. You know, people say, oh, what is that? And you know, these babies, these little, the offshoots, well, when they come out, they're flat. They're completely flat like that. And then somehow or another, they very quickly go together, and they're just totally rounded. I love them. So I would buy another one because I'm scared of, I could take one of these. It'll have roots on it, it will. But I'm scared of ruining the plant because I like it like that. So there we are. So I'll try and get the name for you if I can. So the other thing was, I have coffee. No, that is gorgeous. Colombian. So the other thing was, we had the chimney sweep today, and we haven't had him for a couple of years, only because we expected him calling us. You know, you'd think, we've had him for years, and you'd think that we were on his books, and that he'd call and say, when do you want your chimney swept? But no, he didn't, and we sort of forgot about it. But anyway, came today. So that's a good thing. We've had that done. It was definitely needed it. And so the other thing I was going to mention was, you know, I started planting, you know, when I've got a potato that's sprouted and you don't want to eat it, you don't want to use it. Well, I started putting them in pots a while back and getting really good crops of new potatoes, even through the winter. I've just had a crop now that has gone through the winter of new potatoes. That's because we've had lovely mild weather. There's been no frost whatsoever. Touch wood. Anyway, well, I found a bag of carrots the other day in the fridge, and they started shooting out at the top. So I thought, I'm not wasting a bag full of carrots, am I? You know, all like 60p of it. I'm just not doing it. So I put them in in a pot, like I do the potatoes, put them in. Then I found an onion that was shooting out. So I put that in a pot. So I'm going to end up with a full veg garden, aren't I? I can just see it. You know, all in pots. Hey, don't sneeze at that. I mean, it's going to be good. All fresh veg, all organic, so that you can just go out in your garden and get it. Nice. Anyway, so that's that. Anyway, so my husband has been making another one of his dishes. He loves making things, and he doesn't sort of, I don't know, sometimes he doesn't really stick to a recipe. He just does it, you know, how he thinks it might be. And it's always good. His risotto is to die for. He makes chili that is unbelievably good. And what else does he make? Oh, he makes tacos, and we love taco salad. So with that, you make the taco meat. You know, he uses minced steak, and you put a layer of lettuce, and then you put a layer of the taco, what do you call it? I always forget what you call them. You know, the taco shells, but not the shells, the actual, you know, the pieces of taco, what do you call it now? Anyway, I always forget what it's called. But anyway, so let's say taco shells. So you crunch up the taco shells, you put those over the lettuce and the tomato, and then you put your meat over that, you know, your taco meat, and then you put a layer of cheese or a sprinkle of cheese, and then you put your what do you call it? The oh, I always forget what that is. Salsa. That's it. How can you forget that? Salsa on top of that. Oh my God, it's delicious. So anyway, he's just made these corn dog things, which I don't think I'm gonna like, but anyway, not to worry. He's used hot dogs that are made with chicken instead of pork, I suppose. So anyway, so I'll put that video up for you and let you see it. So I'll see you in a minute. My husband is going to make American corn dogs. This is the ingredients that he's going to use. You probably never heard of them, and neither had I till I went to America. But anyway, Jiffy corn muffin mix, which America's favourite, by the way, which we have to order online. Did you get that online, babe? Yeah. When the girls come over from America, they always bring us this. And here we go. What have you got in there? You've got the Jiffy corn mix, and you've got the egg.
And I add a couple of teaspoons of baking powder.
Right.
So it rise better.
Okay. A little bit of milk going in there. Told you he was a good cook. This is today's dish. It dreams up another. That was it. Was it a cup of milk?
2/3.
Oh, 2/3. He dreams up a different recipe every day. A little bit of salt. Yeah, these corn dogs, they have them at like baseball fairs. Oh, fairs. Right, a little bit of cheese gone in there. Grated cheddar. Asda, mature. It's good stuff. Yeah. Oh, these are going to be good, aren't they? Okay. And what's next, Billo?
Surface sticks.
Okay. There you go. Ooh. We don't have these here. I'm sure we don't. I'm positive we don't. I've never seen them. These chicken hot dogs are absolutely delicious. Better than the other ones, aren't they?
Better for you, probably.
Yeah. They're nice, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So nice to have a husband that cooks, makes unusual things as well. Right.
Like that.
All right. There you go. Like that, I would think.
And then whatever drips out, we'll pick the
Tray.
tray.
Okay. Perfecto. Well, it looks quite stiff.
It's getting
Looks
stiffer.
about, hey?
It's getting stiffer.
Yeah, it looks the right consistency.
I don't have any yeast in it, but
Not that
it does rise.
Not that I'm an experienced corn dog maker, but wonder if Linda in Canada does these corn dogs. Wonder, do they have corn dogs in Canada? Oh, she'll let me know anyway. Melted butter. Okay. What a great idea. Okay, so that's all I've got for you today. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, it'd be lovely if you were subscribed to the channel. It's totally free. And it would really help me. I'm trying to grow the channel. And with that, I'll say bye for now. And as always, love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.